So 2014 Ford um, Escape, man. Cooling leak problem. So you guys watch my videos, man. It's the infamous, man, plastic hex T that they end up putting on these cooling systems on all these cars, man, and they suck. So let me recap what's going on here. So don't mind none of that shit. This is irrelevant. This is from another car. That's trash. So this is what happens. I end up breaking like this, man. So I end up leaking. So what happens is you see it like this, and you never can guess where the leak is coming from until it finally disintegrates and does this. So this was on this side here, as you can see, and it happens, man. This is just a common thing. So I end up replacing this with the old brass tee here, man. Now this idea ain't my idea, somebody else's. To quote him, he had to re-engineer the engineering of Chrysler. So this is like a forever fix. And like I said, all back there. So the things I really just needed for this one, man. Now for this job to make it easy, you gotta get yourself some of these. These are radiator scissors. Now you can say I got other scissors and stuff like that, but these are specifically made to cut radiator hoses like butter. So I end up cutting boom, 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 right in the 3 lines, and splicing this into the system, putting clamps on each side just to triple secure it, because this right here secures it, plus how this is diameter was a little bit bigger, the holes went in nice and snug. These teeth are holding it in place, plus the clamps are holding it in place. So you know what I'm saying? So that's gonna be in there for sure. So this is what you're gonna need to put back the brake reservoir. And everything else, man, I use this trim tool to get these out, because you need to pop this out to get these 2 shrouds out. Then let's see what else I got here. Everything basically, and this is what I found inside the cooling system. So she's gonna have to flush the system, man, because there's probably rust and dirt and grit in there. But yeah, but basically everything's done with the 10mm. 10mm, another 10mm underneath this shroud. 10mm for the battery. This is if you ever want to charge your battery or disconnect your battery, change your battery, you got to take this off. And for you to take this off, you got to take your windshield wipers off. I think that's probably the second hardest thing in this car to change, because I don't know why it was so hard to get these out of here. It was a straight up pull, but I couldn't get them out for shit. That tank, that was very hard to get out. There's a little metal tab in the back here where you have to pull straight up, but it's seated just like this one here. See that? It's seated like that. Just like that. All right. Anyway, found a leak in here. I had to MacGyver this real quick until we get the other part for this. But I'm thinking I can just follow it through and disconnect it from here, and replace this whole line for her, and this should be 100%. To burp this system, man, you have to jack it up from this end, take the headlight off, which is basically this side was broken already, man, but this one right here, and somebody already has been messing with this, man, because I literally just pulled it straight out. Once you unloose this, man, come straight out. Just finagle this part through here. The way I bleed the system, man, is there's a bleeder valve down there, or not a bleeder valve, but there's a hose connection for the upper line, and I just disconnected that, raises this side in so the air can get pushed up through this end. So it caused a vacuum. That's why you see all this coolant everywhere. Uh, but she got heat, man. When she's all back together, I'm gonna put these wipers back on, and we should be steady for ready. And the wipers basically is just these two bolts here, these two nuts. I'm sorry. I believe it's 13. No, not 13. It's gonna be a 5/8. It's gonna be a 5/8. And 5/8, and put the caps on, and we should be done. Oh yeah, another project done. She got heat in her system. I'll show you guys in a minute.